Do you have a 4th gen Kia Sorento that needs the cool packs replaced? Well, then this is the video for you. Now, if you also need to learn how to change the spark plugs on this, I do have a video for that. I'll put it in the description. But overall, this can be done in about 5 to 10 minutes. Super easy job, and it will save you some money. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, with the hood popped, you want to go ahead and just lift up back here, and that'll come right off. Now then, you have this little dampener piece right here, and the cool pack wiring will be over it. So just press down, pull out. There we go. Now that all those are, pulled off, you can take this out. It is still prone to ripping and breaking, so just try to be gentle. And now we have our cool packs exposed. Now you need a 10 millimeter with this. Now all these is you just push them in and pull them off. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take these out. And I'll give you the part number once we put them back in. And this is why you need an electric ratchet. I prefer Milwaukee. Okay, so we have our new cool packs directly from the dealership. Now the part number is 273002 T like Tango 000. As you can see here, they already come pre-assembled with some dielectric grease in there. And all we gotta do is just put them back in. Pretty simple job. Like I said, it can save you a lot of money doing this. Just stick them all back in there. Now go ahead and reuse these 10 millimeters that were in the old ones that we pulled out. I like to get them started so that way they don't cross thread. This one here needs a little more pushing in. All right, now you just want to snug these down. Perfect. Now then, before you plug this up, we will need to put that dampener back on. So just kind of fit it back down there in place. Just like that. Now then, simply just reconnect it. You'll hear a nice little snap. Finally, we just got to put this beauty cover on. You'll see it's got 4 little spots. We just want to line that back up. So what I like to do is I take my finger and I hold where this is at, and I also kind of feel for the post. So you got 4 posts, 1 here, here, and 2 back here. So if I hold it with my finger right here, I can just get it lined up. There we go. Now, if this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.